to the voice of the National Weather Service. NOAA weather audio station Wwg34, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 MHz from Brownsville. Programming originates from the National Weather Service office in Brownsville. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kennedy County in deep South Texas, northern Cameron County in deep South Texas, Willacy County in deep South Texas, until 5:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:07 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northeast of Kennedy County wind farms to 6 miles northeast of San Perlita to near Jose Borrego Middle School, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lyford, Sebastian, San Perlita, Port Mansfield Airport, San Perlita High School, Lyford High School, Willamar, Lyford Elementary School, Lyford City Hall, and Porfirio around 4:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Harlingen, Santa Rosa, Port Mansfield, Santa Rosa High School, Port Mansfield Chamber of Commerce, Tierra Bonita, and Santa Rosa Police Department around 4:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Santa Monica around 4:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Primera, Combs, Dr. Ezequiel Rodriguez Elementary School, Dishman Elementary School, Wilson Elementary School, and Combs Community Center around 4:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Palm Valley and Palm Valley Police Department around 4:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Rio Hondo, Harlingen Arts and Heritage Museum, Lamar Elementary School, Harlingen Public Library, Harlingen High School, Marine Military Academy, Moisesville Middle School, Harlingen High School South, Harlingen Fire Department, and Texas State Technical College Harlingen around 4:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Arroyo City, Rio Hondo Elementary School, Rio Hondo Junior High School, Rio Hondo High School, Treasure Hills Golf Club, Harlingen City Reservoir, Harlingen Municipal Golf Course, Rio Hondo City Hall, Harlingen Soccer Complex, and Valley Baptist Medical Center Harlingen around 4:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Gosh.
Harlingen Medical Center, San Benito Veterans Memorial Academy, San Benito High School, South Texas Academy of Medical Technology, and San Benito Police Department around 4:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include T. George Gutierrez Jr. Middle School, Villa Cavazos, El Camino Angosto, Corny Private Airport, Los Angeles Subdivision, Indian Lake, McLeod Hood Reservoir, Thomas Jefferson Elementary, Stewart Place, and McAlee Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Brownsville. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters